A red alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall today and tomorrow has been issued for 20 districts across Tamil Nadu, including Chennai, after a well-marked low-pressure area over the Bay of Bengal intensified into a depression. NDRF teams have been deployed in Nagapattinam and Kasaikal following the heavy rain alert. The Tamil Nadu government has set up 434 siren towers to alert authorities to floods and emergencies. In Chennai, 46 boats and as many JCBs or earth movers, over 500 giant motor pumps have been deployed.
As Chennai braces for heavy to very heavy rainfall as forecast by the Met, some respite since last night. The city received only 14.7 millimeters rain, little over 1 centimeters, allowing waters to recede from many low-lying areas. In fact, we come to you from the Basula Road in Chennai, one of the low-lying pockets where still people have to wade through ankle to knee-deep waters. But authorities say otherwise in majority of areas in the city, it's dry. The challenge, of course, is if there's going to be very heavy rainfall again, the areas that have been cleared now will once again get inundated. The worrying thing is also the very heavy rainfall already being received in places like Nagapattinam, where there have been 24 centimeters rain till 5:30 this morning, and also neighboring Karaikal in Puducherry has received more than 20 centimeters rain. Here authorities say the heavy rainfall could start around noon, and already it's a depression over the Bay of Bengal. The low pressure has intensified into a depression, and they say it's likely to disappear only tomorrow, till which they forecast very heavy rainfall. In terms of preparedness, officials in Chennai say they have deployed more than 600 giant heavy-duty motors in all these vulnerable locations. They've also procured diesel to run gensets. They have JCBs in all these locations. Around 45 boats have been deployed to move people if there is heavy inundation. In terms of across Tamil Nadu in 19 other districts, the government says relief camps have been set up. They've also held talks with mobile phone operators to have mobile communication systems, what they call cellular wheels, ready. And again, they have established more than 500 siren systems to communicate to people in terms of evacuation if there's a need for that. So authorities say they are fully prepared, and they blame this kind of situation on very heavy rainfall which the stormwater drains could not take. But for people who suffer this kind of hardship, it's almost bringing back memories of the 2015 deluge and its devastation. In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, as Chennai braces for heavy to very heavy rainfall, we come to you from the Chennai Corporation's control room at the Ripon building, its headquarters, and joining us, Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi, the Commissioner of Greater Chennai Corporation, and Ms. Sneha, the Deputy Commissioner. Thank you very much for your time. Amid this forecast, sir, what's the timeline we're looking at in terms of heavy downpour?
Right now, the drizzling has started again in Chennai, and our interaction with the weather department and other systems indicates that by the evening the rains will increase, and it will be there till at least tomorrow afternoon or evening.
And the kind of preparations in place?
See, the rainfall that so far the weather prediction is there indicates about 150 to 200 mm rain, which itself is quite heavy. We had 250 mm rain about 4 days back, which caused a lot of stagnation in many parts of the city. We have placed 507 motors for pumping out water from the low-lying areas into the stormwater drains where the stormwater drain capacity may not be adequate, or which are actually traditionally low-lying areas. We have now, for today's rains, we have also got so far 61 additional heavy-duty pump sets, 150 horsepower, 100 power, etc. Food is being made ready, engineering teams are ready, machinery are ready. We are also keeping adequate number of gensets, diesel and other infrastructure also ready with us, including the power source in all the centralized places.
We've deployed about 46 boats so far, sir, as a measure of abundant caution. As of now, it is not absolutely necessary. Wherever necessary, it can be used. In addition to these 46 boats, we have 7 inflatable boats also at our disposal, sir.
Right. Even after 3 days, some pockets are still inundated.
One, the good thing is that it's a very few numbers, a handful of them, which have inundation of say a half feet, 1 feet water, etc. Because the water is being pumped, but because all the water, there was very heavy downpour for about a day, it took some time from the lowest pockets to do.
If there is heavy inundation, heavy rains against it, you think the areas which have been cleared now will again face the challenge of getting waterlogged again?
Inundation will happen when the rainfall is very heavy in any city, because the stormwater drainage systems are not designed to go for the heaviest rainfall in the last say decade. They take an average of this thing. But our endeavor is that with the additional infrastructure and machinery, the time for which inundation is there has to be the minimal.
In Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find the TV.